So if you're not sure where Teams is, you can just type it in there, and it'll come up. And you probably need to switch. Well, mine went right to the i3 one, but if you click on your little profile icon up here, you probably have a couple instances of Teams. This is my Yosemite Community College District instance, and then this is the i3 one. So I'm in the i3 one now, and then there are all these sort of tabs over here, which are, I guess they're the modules. They're sort of conversations about the modules. But if you go to General and go to Files, then I've put everything. Well, Jen recommended that I put everything in the curriculum folder, and it's this one here, MJC Innovation U Content. And these are the articles I told you about that are listed on the outline, our Workforce Skills 300 outline. These are all the adapted slide sets. This is the outline of record for our course. These are the resources that I showed you, the schedule and the steps.